Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel again. So today we are here in Doubletree M Square again. I'm going to do a room tour as you know na mahilig ako mag room tour. So let's get started. We're in the room of 725. So this is the clean stay Hilton sealed. So time to close that door. Now, andito yung mga switch. And then, yung bathroom. Let's start with the bathroom. So they have the mirror here. Amenities, towels, and then the bathtub. So this is the bathtub. So let me just... Now we are here. Dito naman siya. Then shower. And then towels. So now we are going inside the room. So we have the full length mirror here. So this is actually my outfit for today. We have this crop top from Bridgeka and high-waisted leather skirt from Stradivarius, and we have the Michael Kors belt bag and then fila shoes. So that is my outfit for today. Okay, going back to the room. So ayan, may lagayan siya dito ng baggage. Then may paganyan siya. I don't know that is for what. And then the cardboard. So let's start with the cardboard. So andito yung safe box niya, and then yung laundry. I mean the hair dryer. And then andito naman yung flat iron and iron. And then laundry bag, laundry basket, and then yung hangers. Then we have the twin bed here. And then, meron tayong magandang display ng telepono dyan. Then, yan. So, meron din siyang yan. Spotlight. Ginagamit namin yan actually kapag gusto namin mag-selfie. Ang ganda niyan. Anyway, we have the chairs and small table. And chairs again. And then, the study table. Small table. Small chair. And then we have the TV over here, some display, and then they have this disinfecting antibacterial wipes, and then the remote. Of course, meron pa rin silang Hilton Clean Stay sealed. And now we are here sa minibar. So this is empty. If you need to order anything, you just have to ask from them. Then now we are here sa tea, coffee section. Of course, the complimentary water, bottled water. Then, one more display there. So, ito yung mga Kiko. So, that is it. Okay. We have a mirror over here again. And then, let's have a look sa view niya. So, this is the view here in this room. So makikita mo yung metro, the train dyan, then the road. So that is it for this twin bed ng Doubletree M Square. So next naman, we're going to the connecting room. So this is actually a connecting room. So one twin bed and then one king size bed. So first, we have to go to the bathroom first. So meron din ulit silang mirror, towels, amenities, and all, tissue, yan, towels, yan. And then rain shower. So actually dito wala silang bathtub. So let's have a look sa loob. So, I got the king size bed here. By the way, look at this amazing bed setup that they prepare for me. So, thank you DoubleTree by Hilton, Dubai M Square Hotel and Residences. So, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a beautiful setup over here. Thank you for wishing me a happy birthday, DoubleTree. So, we're going back to the room tour. Now, we are here sa full-length mirror niya ulit. Then, going back to this tea coffee section. And then, by the way, famous ang DoubleTree sa welcome cookies nila. Sobrang sarap ng mga cookies ng DoubleTree. Then, display over there na. And then, TV, same thing. And by the way, since I'm going to celebrate my birthday tomorrow, they give me this macaron cake. So I can claim it there sa La Carte restaurant. And as a gold member, they got me this treat. Thank you, DoubleTree. Thank you for these amazing treats. Thank you so much. Then, andito naman yung cabinet. So actually, all my things are here na. So, yan. Same thing. Okay. Safe hair dryer. Then, so, yan. Tapos, may small table din sila dyan. Then, katulad nung nandun sa twin bed. Then, spotlight. Then, same. All my things are there. And, a mirror for selfie. And then, yung view naman nila dito. Same view, city view. Sobrang ganda sa labas. Anyway, that is it for this king size bed. Room ng DoubleTree by Hilton M Square Hotels and Resorts, by the way. Sorry. So, that is it for today's vlog. Hope you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. So, I forgot to mention the room number of this room. We are actually here sa 726. Hilton Prince Day sealed again. So, that's it.